And there you can see the lack of a color match here. The yellow. That goes underneath the sticker though. And here's where the hole was.
I owe you an apology, and I have apologized. I am very sorry, Gretchen. I've apologized twice now. I'm humble.
And then here's where that big apple size hole was. It looks like there's a line right there where that yellow patch is at, but that's just because of my bad color match. It's a real smooth transition.
And you turn us down out of pride, whatever, and then you tell your wife.
So that'll hide underneath the sticker real nice. I also sanded down the entire hole with 800 grit and 1000 grit, 1500 grit, and now I'm working my way into the polishing phase. So it's going pretty decently. It's just slow. But here you can see the difference in the zero shine side.
What happened?
Just real dull.
Because this isn't you.
What do you know about me?